Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make air freshener at home. But before we go into the production proper, let me take you through some safety precautions you need to take in order to avoid any hazard. Do not make the preparation near naked flames or fire. Avoid direct contact of any chemical with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's list the chemicals in the order in which we dissolve them in water. The first one is called texapon, and the second chemical is the perfume. The third chemical is called menthol. This is followed by the fourth chemical called methanol. The fifth chemical is whitener, and the sixth chemical is the color. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 2.5 liters of air freshener. Texapon 50 gram, perfume 100 ml, menthol a tablespoon, methanol 120 ml, whitener 100 ml, and color a tablespoon. Now let me show you these chemicals one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. This one here is called texapon, a jelly-like substance, and this is the perfume. This is the menthol, and this one here is called methanol. This one here is called whitener, and this is the color. Now the first thing we're going to do is to dissolve the menthol in the methanol. That is, just add the third chemical into the second chemical. Dissolve the menthol in the methanol. Now stir it and make sure that all the menthol crystals are properly dissolved in the methanol. Now keep the menthol and methanol solution aside. Take a small container and put the texapon into it. Add a little water to it and stir. Continue to stir the texapon in the water until all the texapon is dissolved in the water. Texapon is jelly-like and it's going to take quite some time for it to dissolve, so be patient and stir it properly to ensure that the texapon dissolves in the water. Now after dissolving the texapon in water, add the perfume to it and stir it properly. Now you can add the methanol and the menthol solution to it and continue stirring. You can add your whitener now. And also you can add your color to it. Make sure you stir it properly to ensure that you have a homogeneous solution. The air around here is really fresh by the fragrance coming from the solution. The menthol, when dissolved in the methanol and added to the perfume, has the capacity to amplify the aroma from the perfume. You can now add more water to top it up to 2.5 liters. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Our air freshener is ready. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng or visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.